Welcome back. It is clear that it would be three-corner fight in Kottari. Congress candidate Raymond D'sa filed nominations on Thursday. It was surprising to see D'sa filing nominations without Daboli MLA Movin Gudino, who has a strong hold in Kottari constituency. Meanwhile, Ramakant Borkar has filed nomination as UGDP candidate.
Thursday was the last date of filing nomination for the Cortalim By-Poll. Raymond D'sa filed nomination from Cortalim as Congress candidate. D'sa was accompanied by GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar, Opposition Leader Pratap Singh Rane and Alexio Reginaldo. However, it was surprising that Daboli MLA Movin Gudino was not present with Raymond.
The main issue for this election will be of Daboli airport issue, second is MOI issue, and third is bifurcation of our panchayat Cortalim By-Poll. These three issues will be main issues for this election.
How crucial is Cortalim seat for Congress?
We have to win that seat. We have to win this seat and we are going to win the seat.
तुम्ही आता कोठाळे बाय इलेक्शन जिंकतले म्हणता पण ज्या पहिलेचे आमदार असलेले मोविन गुदिनो कोठाळेचे ते तुमच्या वांगडा हांगसर दिसना
ना कितें जाला मोविन गुदिनो गोंय भायर इंडिया भायर गेल्लो आसा
मोविन गुदिनो आत्ता प्रेजेंट आशिल्लो हांगा कोठाळे चिखले पंचायती काउंटिंग
मोविन गुदिनो हांगसर ना आमी ताका कॉन्टॅक्ट केल्लो ताणें सांगला येना फुडें आपूण कामाक लागता अशें सांगिल्लें.
Ramakant Borkar also filed his nomination on UGDP seat.
Actually बोल्ला UGDPचेर पूण आतां आयकून ते प्रमाणे हो सांगतालो आमकां डेप्युटी कलेक्टर रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर सांगला की 2 लिव्हसां बाबतींत कांय येवना सपोज 2 लिव्स जालें ना जाल्यार तुका इंडिपेंडंट सिंबल पडटा म्हणून
तुका बी फॉर्म दिवंक ना तर पार्टी
बी फॉर्म दिला पूण तो सिंबल रेकग्नायज जावना अशें म्हणून ताणें सांगलां सो ते ना जाल्यार इंडिपेंडंट भरतालो.
Meanwhile, Raymond D'sa has won the panchayat election from Cortalim, while Ramakant Borkar has been elected as a panch for Sankwal Panchayat. Either of them will have to vacate the seat if they get elected as a MLA from Cortalim. Our reporter from Cortale, Surendra Madgaikar.
Thieves struck Vittal Rakumai temple at Davoli in Madgaon on Wednesday night. Cash from the donation box was stolen. Temple committee members claim that the other items in the temple have also been robbed. Cash and items worth 50,000 rupees have been robbed.
This incident occurred on Wednesday night. Robbers entered Vittal Rakumai temple at Davoli in Madgaon. They broke open the donation box and robbed cash. Committee members also claim that other items belonging to the temple are stolen.
आमचे विठ्ठल रुक्माई मंदिरान सकाळचे 5:30 आमी हांगा काकड आरती करपाक येता तेन्ना आमकां कळ्ळें की देवळांतले सगळे चोरी जाला. फंड पेटी भायर काडला, चोरी केला, गेट तोडला, व्हडलो तोप देवाक भजन करपाचे समय ताळ सगळे चोरी केला. हांगा रातचे बीट ड्युटी करपी रेपी हवालदारांक कोण नाशिल्ले हांगा.
कितले पयशे जाला तुमचे
हांगा आमी मुर्ती स्थापना करून देवळाचें उद्घाटन करून आतां 4-5 महिने जाले आमी फंड पेटीक हात लावना. 40,000 ते 50,000 रुपया हितून 35,000 to 40,000 हांगा आशिल्ले ते ना जाला देवळांतले. जय दिसता.
Madgaon police reached at the site and conducted Panchanama. A reporter from Madgaon Savio Dice.
The high security registration plates introduced by the previous government poses a huge security risk. After a recent incident of a theft reported on an HSRP fitted to a car, questions are raised over its security aspect. The plate that is stolen cannot be traced by the police.
The ambitious high security registration plate introduced by the government does not serve any purpose but rather pose a huge risk to the users. Take the case of Jovito Lopez. An HSRP fitted on his car was stolen, but what is surprising is that police cannot trace the plate.
My worry was that somebody is going to misuse it, and it could be misused like the Supreme Court judgment says for theft, rape, murder. You put in another car and you commit all the crimes, and I was afraid that they would catch the number plate and then they would catch me, and that I was not a culprit. I am saying that there is no security on the number plates and much less high security. So why make everybody change the number plates? Why? Because it serves no purpose. The objective for which the law was framed is absolutely nonsense, I would say. So now you tell me, what happens now for my next number plate? Who will give me the next number plate? And they talked about some sensor in the number plate, that they said if it is robbed, we'll be able to find out where it is and locate it. Now, I lodged the complaint the very night on 12th of May Today we are on 17th of May. I know nothing about it.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.